How to fix chat message limit reached on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are not able to send any chat messages because it says that your chat message limit has been reached, then in this video I will help you on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is open the TikTok app on your device and sign into your account. Once you have signed in, step 1 is to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then from here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and head over to Settings and Privacy. Once you land over here, you want to scroll down and tap on the Free Up Space option. Here you can see your cache and downloads. You want to tap on the clear option for both of that. Once your cache and download has been cleared, you want to head back. Now try to send a message. If you're still receiving this error, then there is another thing you can do. Now you simply want to log out of your account and then log in and check if that fixes your issue. If that still does not fixes your issue, then you might want to wait for 24 to 48 hours. But if you don't want to wait for that long, or if it has been 48 hours and this problem is still not fixed, then you want to contact the customer support of TikTok. For that, on the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Report a Problem. Then tap on Interaction, tap on Direct Message. Now tap on Unable to Send Direct Messages option. Now tap on Need More Help option. As you can see, it will open the TikTok help desk. Now you simply want to type in your issue and then the TikTok customer support will help you fix this problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.